Hello Rosenbergers, it's me again, Bernard Rosenberg. Hope you enjoyed the previous video on the position vector. Then we're going to look at a natural follow-on to that, and that's called the velocity vector of a moving body. If you recall in a previous video, before I discussed the displacement vector, I had to make clear the difference between distance and displacement. And now I have to make clear the difference between the speed of a body and the velocity of a body. This short video helps me do that. Here we've got a short video of two lanes of cars. I'm referring to the cars in the inside track next to the train line. Cars in the video are all more or less going at the same speed. One or two wee differences, and we can look at that later on, but there's something fundamentally different. The cars in the inside, some of them are going west and some of them are going east. Okay, let me illustrate this using a very simple video. Here we've got the blue car going west and the red car going east. Both have got identical speeds. Both are covering 100 metres in 10 seconds. This means they're covering 10 metres in 1 second, and that's how we quantify speed. But their velocities are different. How we put it is this: the red car is going 10 metres per second due east, and the blue car is going 10 metres per second due west. And that's the difference between speed and velocity. So you might be thinking, well, so Paul, what's the big deal? What is the significance rather? Well, that will become clearer in a follow-up video, because we can take this to analyse motion even deeper. Because we've got velocities and those are vectors, because they've got directions, we can bring the whole apparatus of vector analysis to bear, giving us a greater insight into motion in nature. That will be clearer later on. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video of the velocity vector, or at least the initial steps we have to take before we study it properly. Next week I'm off to London, so I might make a wee video of that. We'll see how it goes. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next week.